Magandang hapon po ng Monday, January 22, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM Digit Games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Monday, January 22, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng January 22, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Monday, January 22, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 38 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 jackpot price estimates is 29.7 million pesos for Monday, January 22, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Monday, January 22, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.